At half of the press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right this or right there, my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
A blessed good day to you, my wisdom warriors. Wagwan, wagwan. I'm back again with another video. Well, another one here. Education Minister Senator Dana Morris Dixon says bomb threats to schools across the island are terrorizing students. She was reacting to Monday's latest bomb hawks at Meadowbrook High School in St. Andrew. Since the start of the year, several schools have been targets of bomb threats, which were later identified as hoaxes. The hoax has disrupted teaching and learning for many days. My wisdom warriors. Seriously, I don't know. I don't think them system where them have, me not think they understand them system. For some reason. For some reason. I don't believe this crap, I don't believe this crap. And this half information minister and half education minister, Dana Morris. Me don't know my wisdom warriors. When you ever hear she talk it? She talk to we like we are some little grade one. Like we in a grade one. That's what she talk to we, She talk to we like we in a grade one. Box cover. I first never see this. Bomb threats terrorizing school. Bomb threats terrorizing school. Boy, me just not believe it, my wisdom warriors. Me feel like it is a plan. It is a strategy. Me not think them a go want call the election. So me feel like them a do all type of something. Me no, Or they not understand them system or something. Because why would people want to do bomb threats for school? Jamaican people not do them things there. My wisdom warriors, as bad as things may be, and Jamaican people have them ways. Me nah swear for color look, and me no want color look on run my belly. But Jamaica, why? Remember, we the Jamaican people always say education is the key, So me no believe all them something here about bomb threats in a school. That's one thing my Jamaican people them not do. Me I tell you no. They not gonna do that. Something no right Jamaica. These bomb threats business not have like since when? Since when we have these bomb threats? I be a problem underneath Andrew Wellness administration. You know see that? Everybody are dead left, right and center. Big mass shooting which never ever happened in our history yet. All these things is happening underneath Andrew Wellness administration. Pure bangarang, pure crosses. Me box cover and this a man you really a follow back Andrew Wellness. You know see amount of mass shooting. The type of gruesome crime where people are committed. My wisdom warriors. Bomb threat. Since when? I wonder if Andrew Wellness are mixed up with Lord Jesus. Hey, you can't put nothing past that, Me say we can't put nothing past that, my wisdom warriors. Because Jamaica not deal with bomb and them something there. So since when them a talk about bomb threat? What them a talk say? The last time, I remember last time in chat about bomb threat up a female yard in lie, see? Me say him lie. That time them say him and the woman up there, the woman nearly beat off him blouse and skirt up on yard, allegedly, because I wasn't there, I don't know. I don't proof for that. So I don't know, so me have to use my word allegedly. But yeah, him and the woman, one piece of war me ear galang up there, my wisdom warriors. News media pass and go fast in a business, then chat about a bomb threat. I saw me ear. Lord Jesus. So every minute now, you hear say that the school the bomb threat. When they check it out, I don't know bomb threat, a hoax, and one bag of something. Hey, listen to me, man. On the move with no foolishness about bomb threats pan school. That's one thing Jamaican people now do. Jamaican people now do them something there. Seriously. They not do that, my wisdom warriors. Because one thing them take education serious. May I tell you no. And you know that too. When I hear that word, bam, I know Jamaica that. So me I wonder why. I wonder why this money I mix up. You wait there between me and Uno. Remember saying did go over that place there, you know. I remember saying did go Israel. He got mix up over there. You remember when he pick up himself gone all the way over Israel. Jesus gone sign. Me not even know when he did sign over there. Only God alone know when he sign over to them. Hmm? No wonder why every minute you hear. Right? My wisdom warriors, I now say a thing. But Andrew Honest is something else. I just totally believe this is a planting. You know hear me? Because Jamaica not deal with them there's something there. I know we that. You don't know that. I know as bad as things may be. And people have their attitude and whole heap of crime is going on. That is not Jamaica. Jamaica don't do those things. But you tell me what you think. You don't have to agree with me. Put an honest opinion in the comment section. Hear this. So in the last video, you hear me talk about the 20,000 where the opposition spokesperson and you know the opposition leader, everybody are leak out because there's no criteria, there's nothing implement about the 20,000. Yeah, remember them said them are gonna get 20,000 in February 2025, but we know say buy them a buy vote. We know say them a buy vote by them. I really idiot them, you know. Hey, I want Jamaican people take on the money, you see, and vote on the right out. Seriously, that I want them do. So my wisdom warriors, you have Dana Morris, you have Favour Williams. I don't know where she go, Favour, because I know she no finance minister. She just had a face card. I don't know where she about to go. So you have she, Dana Morris, and Andrew Honest. So the government use Wednesday post cabinet. Remember, you know, Mark Golden then do for them press conference, yeah? And then when them do it now the next day, when you look, Andrew them run out. At the conference too. Box cover. What them for do conference for then and do conference for? What them for do conference for then and do conference for? When we have the whole heap of little picnic them get abused. Child trafficking in a Jamaica right now, human trafficking. No use on a press conference and talk about these things. Because it is not important. Our lives don't matter to you. And Jamaican people need to wake up. Anyway, the government used Wednesday post-cabinet media briefing to continue defending the raft of initiatives Prime Minister Andrew Holness announced during the 81 annual conference of the Jamaica Labour Party at the National Arena on Sunday. Holness announcements have been met with the much skepticism from the opposition and other segments of the society. So right now, the whole cabinet, the Jamaica Labour Party cabinet, are run out, and a defend Andrew Holness measure and in benefit where him claims say him put in place. Listen to me. You see all the 53% there, only need to come clean to the Jamaican people. I make them know say 53% is not for poor people, are for rich people. So them out here attack say it is not a gimmick. It is more than a gimmick. It is more. The labor right, them know that. Them know say a secure and a secure vote. Them same wanna walk and talk about it. Them say a buy or not buy vote and that style. Labor right to talk about it. Labor right to talk about it. Una go on like say another tornado. Look what happened the other day. Una send how much buses and una have to pay up money. Una have to pay up money. Majority of the people them what they did at the conference. Una have to pay them. So we don't want trick Jamaican people, no one try to intimidate and say, oh, no have crowd. Oh, no have no crowd. We don't use taxpayer money and do the wrong thing when people there suffer. We is a set of disgrace. All you Andrew Holness and nothing about you. You really hate black people. I don't know where you come from. You could never born in Jamaica. Because I saw you deal with your people them. You have people really struggling in Jamaica. You have people struggling in my people. They must struggle, you know, day in and day out, you know. Sometimes they can't even find food for eat, you know, man. Sometimes the condition where them living, you know. And Andrew Holness take taxpayer money and pay a labor right to come stand up and hey and ring bell. Friggin' asshole. Then somebody like Andrew Holness could have come trick me. Eh? Uno say uno green people no want not no good. Uno no want not no good. The man take uno for fool. The man take uno labor right for fool, not PNP. He take uno labor right for fool. And listen to me, all the undecided voters, we are listen to me. Me I beg you, go and put the X beside the head. Because Mark Golding is a man of integrity. He's an honest man. And he's pure. And he have a clean heart. And them clean. You hear me? Don't make Andrew Owen. Listen, Andrew Owen is not a good man. Because Andrew Owen is a thief. Billions are only are given to 20,000. Billions. A washy money in 28 accounts. In collect scammer money. In collect drug trafficking money. Yeah, the government collect all of that. Yeah, the government collect all of that. This is why you see you have the 28 bank account. Don't be fool. Because me can't have a government where him a thief billions. And out of billions, he only give somehow with 20,000. Seriously. And him a thief, let even billion, trillions. Trillions. Christopher Tufton, him claim him don't know nothing about the 700 billion. If you look about the hospital them. But every day he out a road a break ground. And so them break the ground, they don't have no staff, they don't have no resources, they don't have no equipment. What list set of people them? What list they don't care about to know? I want to know that in Jamaica, I have to tell you, I want to live in the rural area. When you go supermarket, you murmur all the time. Why things expensive, Lord Jesus? Why this is so dear? Why this is so dear? I want to still run behind Andrew Wellness. I want to make Andrew Wellness come out on public platform and tell you, say, yeah, inflation is not high. Yeah, wanna make Andrew Wellness come and trick on you know, but the things them expensive. Wanna have to look into these things, Jamaica. Wanna have to look out on your eye because what Andrew Wellness say, it's not reality. Minister of Justice Delroy Chuck is hinting at legislation that could place the death sentence on the table for mass murders. You hear this one here? Death penalty for mass murderers. So, what happened to the other people them where do murder, but I no mass murder them I do. What happened to them? And then again, you did a chat off your mouth, Delroy Chuck. What about putting death penalty upon the raper boy them? You not talk about that. You left them out. How you are left them out, so? How you are left them out, so? You don't want public the sexual offender registry, but yet you're out here and talk about legislate. That's all you do. When you feel legislate and not even think for legislate. Because you're out here and you talk about mass murderers. Yeah? Like I see a murder, whether mass or no mass, I see him killing. You understand? I'm not agree with this thing, you know. This death penalty. Listen, you hear every day them talk about death penalty. If you don't make Andrew Wellness go in a power, that Andrew Wellness are going to do. That is what he's going to do because Jamaica got on republic. And remember the last election, you know, my people. Remember, you know, if you know, make Andrew Wellness win in a general election, you know, Andrew Wellness are going to be the president. Just imagine the Tapanaro thief in a Jamaica, a president. Blows and skirt. Mighty God of Daniel. Just imagine. So I totally disagree because there's a lot of innocent youth that are prison. Lot of innocent youth they are prison, my wisdom warriors. Where they not commit no crime. You understand? So me not believe. Listen, Jamaica is a corrupted country. I don't believe said them fi put nobody to death. No. And then so corrupt. You not agree with that? Me not agree with it. Me not get rid of corruption. Get rid of corruption first, then we can think about that. But Delroy Chuck don't come chat about no death penalty. Because you are the one who are backing raper boy them. You are the one who are out here back the raper boy them. I talk about if them do the crime and then do the time, yeah, you don't want the public see their faces. And that him saying to my wisdom warriors, you don't want the public to see their faces and started to point at them and say, look, it was him that did this, it was him that did that. I saw him say, no, he have to protect them. Yes, Delroy Chuck, uno labor right, uno alright with that? Why, my wisdom warriors? Uno tell me one thing, yeah, man. And put an honest opinion in the comment section. Like up the video, share it out, and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome, my people. Don't forget, go over to my other channel, subscribe, and get me to 5K. Tell a friend to tell a friend about Atta for the Press. Also, if you want to reach me, you can do so on WhatsApp only, 876-236-9097. Blessings upon blessings. One love.